Hello everyone, today we are going to make words. Head. Head के लिए हम सबसे पहले क्या पिक करेंगे? ह, ह, ह. Very good. Now what will be next? A, A. Very good. And now th. Head. Very good. Good job. Next word is red. R, 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 ra. Very good. A. Very well done. We will make red. Now T. Red. Very good. Great job. Next word is big. B. B. Very good. First word is B. Now you can find next word A. Very good. B. Now G. 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 Big. Very good. Well done. Great job. Next word is rag. R, r, rag. Very good. Next is a. Very good. A. Very good. Ra. Now last word is ga. Ga. Rag. Very good. You can make words now. Next word is fan. Now fan start from f. F. Very good. F is first word. A is second word. F. 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 N. Fan. Very well done. Great job. Well done, boys. Well done, everyone. Now next word is pen. Pen start from P. 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 Very good. You are right. Pen start from P. Very good. Next is A. A. P. P. A. P. N. Pen. Well done. Next word is van. V. V. Van is start from V. V. Now A. V. V. A. V. And sound is van. Good job. Great job. You can do it. Now next word is can. K. K. Can start from K. K. Very good. K. Can. Very good. Great job. Now next word is cab. Cab start from K. 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 First word is K. Second word is A. And third word will be B. Cab. You can listen sound. B. B sound is coming on last. Cab. Thank you for watching us. Please subscribe us on YouTube. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.